Wireless technology relies on antennas to transmit the electromagnetic waves used for tasks such as charging or connecting to other devices. As these technologies advance, they need to be versatile, durable, and easy to manufacture. Could kirigami, a variation of origami, the ancient Japanese art of cutting and folding paper, provide a path forward? We'll explore in the U.S. National Science Foundation's Discovery Files. Kirigami is naturally an inspirational model for manufacturing, as you can easily create complex 3D shapes from a single 2D piece of material. NSF-supported researchers from Drexel University, in collaboration with colleagues from the University of British Columbia, have shown how kirigami could transform a thin sheet of treated plastic into a flexible 3D microwave antenna. Transmission ability comes from the special coating of conductive ink containing MXene, a type of two-dimensional nanomaterial with unique and adjustable properties first created at Drexel University in 2011. When applied to the base material, the MXene Kirigami antenna's transmission frequency could be easily changed by adjusting its shape. This research represents a new way to manufacture antennas in a quick and cost-effective manner. Further research will explore different structural forms and substrates as they seek to optimize the antenna's performance. To hear more science and engineering news, including the researchers making it, subscribe to NSF's Discovery Files podcast.